Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can enable dark mode on Shein application. Keep watching the video till the end. To enable dark mode on Shein, firstly open up your Shein application. The home page of Shein application will appear on the screen. Make sure that you're logged into your Shein account. Now, if you go ahead and look for dark mode feature on Shein application, then you will not be able to find it anywhere. Since the dark mode feature is not available in the Shein platform yet, there is a workaround in this situation. All you need to do is simply go ahead and open up your settings application on your device. Scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Tap on dark option right next to the light option. Once you turn on the dark mode for your system, you can now go ahead and open up your Shein application. This is how you can enable dark mode on Shein application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.